I can talk about our business regarding the energy saving and CO2 emission savings are already integrated into our core business. And it's a model of win-win for both customers and ourselves. And let me explain this using our life cycle business. Our total CO2 emission throughout the life cycle is about 1.8 million tons a year. Of this, 10% is inside, in-house of our business. In-house factories and offices and all sorts of places. We work diligently following the ISO 9000 and 14001. And also we do recycling of machines and cartridges. And another area is the supply chain. We work with our suppliers based on our CSR procurement strategy. And we help our suppliers and they help us through supplying more safe, higher QCD components and parts. And this, the supply chain portion holds 40% of the 1.8 million tons. And the rest, 50%, is emitted at the customer site through our products. And I like to focus on this area today first. We have been working on the reducing the CO2 emissions or energy spending for the past 15 years or so. And during the past 10 years, we have been giving the METI Energy Saving Product Award. METI meaning Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry. The top level, the Eco Product Award for the past 10 years in a row. With this product, we saved 50% CO2 emission per unit against the 1997 in 2007, 10 years past. But at the same time, during this period, we increased by 50% of machines in the field. So as a whole, we reduced only or about 20% of the total CO2 emissions from our hardware. But we have been migrating from box-oriented business to solution and service-based businesses. And in the solution and service business, we are providing the document facilities rationalization and document print usage rationalization or visualization of CO2 emissions or usage or compliance or safety traceability or governance, those services. And with facility rationalization, for example, services, we reduce number of printers and machines at the customer site. And also we help customers reduce number of prints they produce. This may be a little bit strange to you, but with these support or services, we can expand our shares at the customers while helping customers reduce their usage of machines and prints, thus reducing their cost, thus reducing their CO2 emissions. But at the same time, through expanding our shares, we can also increase our business. It's win-win situation. And this is the same thing our competitors are trying to do. It's a competition in the field. And talking about a little bit toward the future, with this migration and business model creation, we see document printers hold only 3% of the CO2 emission related to office workers, meaning inside the office and commuting and transportation. Of these CO2, 70% is emitted by lights or air conditioners or PCs and servers, and we emit only 3%. And we work diligently, but we are working in a very small place field. And 21% is from transportation and commuting. Can we help? Yes, we can. Extending our service model, we can help customers reduce office space or office hours or commuting or transportation through enhancing productivity and also through changing work style or work weight. We can offer them telework services, or we can provide remote services or remote conferences or different ways of communication, including future centers, etc., or knowledge management. These are the ways we can help customers reduce CO2s further while creating new business model. This is what we have started working on. Thank you very much.